Hey there! Thinking of selling a fixer-upper in Houston but worried about losing money? Stick around, because I've got some tips to help you maximize your profits. First off, let's talk about curb appeal. It's the first thing buyers see. So, invest in some landscaping, a fresh coat of paint, and maybe even a new mailbox. Small changes, big impact. Next, focus on the essentials. Buyers want a solid foundation, working plumbing, and a good roof. Make sure these critical areas are in top shape before listing your property. It's worth spending a little upfront to save you from costly negotiations later. Now, don't over-improve. It's tempting to go all out. But remember, this is a fixer-upper. Stick to high-impact, low-cost improvements like updating fixtures and giving the kitchen a facelift with new cabinet doors. Here's a biggie: price it right. Do your homework on comparable sales in your area. A competitive price attracts more interest and could even spark a bidding war. No one wants their home sitting on the market for months. And finally, market smart. Highlight the potential of your home in the listing. Use phrases like great investment opportunity or tons of potential to catch the eye of savvy buyers and investors. So there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to selling your fixer-upper in Houston without losing money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks. Catch you next time.